Okay, so first I'm going to solve it like it tells me to. If I look at my ones place value, what is 4 ones plus 6 ones? 10 ones. Okay, did I make a new 10? Yes. So I put my new 10 up here in the tens place value. What's 1 10 plus 7 tens? 8 tens. Okay, and then what's 8 tens plus 2 tens? 10 tens. And what do you know about 10 tens? Okay, there's 10 tens equals 100. So I made a new 100. So I'm going to put that in my hundreds place value. 5 hundreds plus 100, 100 equals 600. And 600 plus 300 equals 900. Okay, now that I've solved my answer, I need to answer my question. Did I make a new 10? Before I begin, I thought I would show you the place values. So the ones is right here. Remember, it goes ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds, and then the place value next to the hundreds is called the thousands. Okay, so when it asks you, did you make a new 10? Did you make a new 10? Do you see a new 10 up here in the tens place value? Yes. Did you make a new 100? Do you see a new 100 up here in the hundreds place value? Yes. Did you make a new 1,000? Do you see a new 1,000 up here in the thousands place value? No, you do not.